nastavlja se radnja. Kažu, ne možeš da napraviš kajganu dok ne razbiješ jaje. Evo sad razbijamo jaje. A kajgana poslije. Evo, šta ti misliš? Evo, rušimo radnju, a? Napravili smo američki san i sad ga rušimo. Šta misliš? Jel to moće, a?
Radimo drugi.
Pravimo veći, je. Da, ništa sad ovo rušimo, ovo smo završili, sve ovdje. Sve smo napravili što je moglo da se napravi, idemo dalje. Idemo sad u veće.
Bolje.
Da, u bolje. Idemo u bolje. Idemo na Karibe. Vidimo se na Karibima, je.
I can't give you diamonds or pearl, hand on the moon and take you traveling the world, but I can love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die. I'll give you all of what I've got, the fancy things, baby, I have not. Just gonna love you. Yeah, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you, babe. Cross my heart and hope to die.
Last piece. The only person that comes and helps us all the time. Enough. Enough moving. Hey.
I just asked her for something cold. Pour me a drink. I drink everything today.
You're a saver. What you guys doing?
What are you doing? You're early.
Yes. No, I finish at 5.
Oh.
I told you I'm gonna work until 5.
It's a happy day for me then. I was miserable. I was thinking I would work till 8. You want to jump in?
I don't know.
I think it's better. Just give me a hand.
Oh no.
Don't watch in the camera. Give me a hand. And you need to trust.
I think I'm
you
okay
need to
like
trust
this.
the captain. Okay?
Oh. Captain.
I told you. You need to trust the captain. Huh? Tell her what's happened with me
No,
today.
it's crying.
I fall in the water.
Really?
I was showing the dinghy to one guy, and I go on an edge, and I start jumping, and of course I lose the. Yeah. But
why you jumped on the edge?
I don't know. It was early morning, and I was stupid. I was wet like 1 hour, and everything dry on me. Yeah, it was good actually. Actually, it was good. I was thinking to do it again. Yeah.
So Pudgy is not that stable.
No, it is stable, but I wasn't stable. Pudgy is not the problem with the Pudgy.
Okay.
The boat did this, you know, but not too much. But I I was jumping there, you know, like, yeah, everybody will fall down. It doesn't matter. It was destiny for me to swim this morning. So.
That's good.
You know, we close the shop, we decide that it's time to move on, you know. we built a business. We were satisfied. We have a business. 5 minutes. Shop was 5 minutes from the house, so it was perfect for somebody. Perfect life, you know. Somebody will enjoy all their life working 10 minutes from the house, something like that. Yeah. Oppa.
Oh,
So this is now Ella stop by, and
stop by after work.
she need to prepare this video now,
And I don't have anything.
and I'm using this like a break.
That's good.
So
So yeah, in this video we closed the shop. We emptied the shop, moved to our house where we start.
yeah, we start business
We
on a
start
porch,
and yeah.
and we move on a porch.
I need to take.
It's you know, the decision that we made is based on what we want to do with the life. You know, we did it. We saw it. We did it. It was fun. Let's make some other things fun. When I have a time between my projects here, I take something to do just to make money that we could buy stuff for a boat, and that's it.
And I'm making money just for the bills. pretty
Yeah.
much.
I'll go work a couple of days a week, and that's it. You know, relax life, no stress. We're doing slowly. I can't say I'm enjoying. I am enjoying, but it's not like the cruising enjoying. It's like more labor enjoying something. It's okay if you love boats, you know, like, and you're working on a boat, it's okay. You know, you're enjoying. It doesn't matter. I listen to podcast Under the Sheets. Okay, they said that, you know, you are actually, when you're working on a boat and preparing the boat, you are in the process of going to cruise. This is the process that it's just a part of cruising life. Preparation of the boat and work on a boat. So it is what it is, you know. But it's okay, you know, that's the part. You know, if you're expecting to not do anything, to just enjoy, buy a boat,
Well,
good
okay,
for
this
you.
is a major project. So we didn't buy a boat just to set up and
Yeah,
go
this
sailing.
is different stuff. Yeah, this is the level is different. You know, like it's not the same. Like if I buy any of these boats, that they look okay. You know, like probably I will have less thing. Not probably, I will have
Real less, yeah.
I will have probably 80% less work on that kind of boats. For the major projects, you know, the people mixing. What is a major project? When you need to redesign the boat and when you need to fix literally everything, like the sail life, what he's doing, that's a major project. This is a major project. Everything else is not the major project. It's just a project, you know. So yeah, we enjoy. Last year and a half we push with a you know, Ella go to work, I go all the time on a boat from so we closing the shop. From that point I'm on a boat.
Yeah, closing the shop was the best decision that we made, because when
Yeah.
we closed the shop, we cut our expenses with the shop, with our that we had like business expenses. Peck was doing like 12 hours a day, like
every
even
day,
more.
every day, 1 year, full year, every day.
Yeah. So that
Yeah.
was the best. Even we didn't make that much money, but
But the
actually
plan
we
is,
saved the money.
yeah,
with that.
the plan is not to make money, you know, like that's the plan. The
Yeah,
plan,
yeah.
you know. So
Have
we
for
were
the food and have
yeah,
for the bills.
in that point we have, when we closed the shop, we have a lot of stuff. We have a lot of material that I could continue working on a boat. So
Yeah, we purchased like a lot of things.
yeah, a lot of
So,
stuff. Yeah. So
With our last project in a shop, we did buy a lot of things, what we need for inside, paint.
I think I stopped when the COVID started. I think I stopped like a month and a half, 2 months.
We didn't, yeah, because marina was closed, everything was closed.
Yeah,
no
it
one
was a little
worked.
bit.
We didn't know what
yeah,
is going
not
on.
clear. Yeah.
Yeah, like
So
we panic or not.
Yeah, we stop also. It was okay for me to stop after 1
Yeah,
year.
we didn't work
You know.
like
2 months. 2 months.
end of the March until June. Yeah,
Yeah.
and then we start again.
I took a couple of projects to
We
do.
did
Not-
make.
For my capacity, what I could do, I was on a 15%.
Beautiful.
Let's go.
New Dodger, Bimini, made by Peck.
You know, it's kind of, I work a lot on a boat, and during my work on a boat, I figure out actually that I enjoy to stop working whatever I was working in a shop on other people's boats. So that kind of, you know, like that kind of, you know, kicked me. In one point, I was like just tired of work, and chasing the business and pushing, and you know, like I mean,
Yeah,
I
that's
love
like,
my business. I
never-
love my
yeah.
business.
That's like one circle.
Hope you like the videos. Please take a time just now. Go press the like button. Go subscribe. You know, it will help for YouTube algorithm. It means a lot for us, and just second for you. See you, buddy. You're just spending 1 second. Come on. Come on, man.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and
See
yeah,
ya.
if you're bored, you can stop by here like a little bit.
Standing.
Hey, but let me tell you, I have another with the Morgan waiting for anybody who want to help. Texas, baby.
Free trip to Bahamas.
Yeah.
Whoever helps. Bye.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Ciao ragazzo.
Ciao. Ciao.